Ready to launch your business? Getting your employer identification number (EIN) is a must. It's your ticket to handling taxes and hiring employees. In just a few simple steps, you can get it hassle-free. Let's walk through the process together. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you how to get your employer identification number. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into irs.gov and you will find this page as you can see. So, an employee identification number (EIN) is a unique 9-digit number assigned by the Internal Revenue Service (IRS) to businesses for tax purposes. It is used to identify a business entity and it's required for various activities such as filing taxes, opening a bank account, and applying for business license. So as you can see here, we have the first things like how can we help you, and we have your tools and applications, news and announcement as well. So the thing that you have to do right now is just click over file and then you click over business and self-employed, as you can see. So here we have it. Right, once you're done, you will find this page. As you can see, we have your tax information for businesses. You have tax information here, tools and resources for businesses and self-employed. You have to choose if it's employer ID number (EIN), employment tax, estimated tax, foreign account tax compliance act, FATCA. So I will choose firstly this one, but also we have here other information such as prepare your taxes, followed pay your taxes, run your business as well. Then we have your business types also, as you can see. As you can see, like we have also other options like prepare your taxes, file, pay your taxes, run your business, and business types. Now just read this information, then you choose if you want employer ID number, and once you click over it, you will find other page which is this one. So an employer identification number (EIN) is also known as a federal tax identification number and is used to identify a business entity. Generally, businesses need an EIN. You may apply for an EIN in various ways, and now you may apply online. This is a free service offered by the Internal Revenue Service and you get your EIN immediately. You must check with your state to make sure you need a state number or cutter. So you have just to click over apply for an EIN online. If you want also other information like what to do if you are assigned an EIN you did not request. Do you need an EIN? Do you need a new EIN? How to apply for an EIN? How long will it take to get number? Lost or misplaced your EIN? How EINs are assigned and follow the EIN prefixes and other things. So you have just to click over apply for an EIN online and you will find other page which is this one. So right now we'll find here apply for an employer identification number EIN online. So you have just to follow the steps to get your EIN. So the first step we have here, determine your eligibility. You may apply for an EIN online if your principal business is located in the United States or US territories. Then we have the second one, the person applying online must have a valid taxpayer identification number, SSN, ETIN, EIN also. As well, we have you are limited to one EIN per responsible party per day. Then the second step, which is understand the online application. You must complete this application in one session, as you will not be able to save and return at a later time. Your session will expire after 15 minutes of inactivity and you will need to start over. Then we have the third step, submit your application. After all validations are done, you will get your EIN immediately upon completion. You can then download, save, and print your EIN confirmation notice. Have just to click over apply online and you will find another page which is this one. So this is it. Here we have EIN assistant. Important information before you begin. Use this assistant to apply for and obtain an employer identification number EIN. Here we have about the EIN assistant. You must complete this application in one session, as you will not be able to save and return at a later time. For security purposes, your session will expire after 15 minutes of inactivity and you will need to start over. Then you will receive your EIN immediately upon verification. When will I be able to use my EIN? And then if you wish to receive your confirmation letter online, we strongly recommend that you install Adobe Reader before beginning the application if it's not already installed. You have just to click over Begin Application and you will find this page as well. Here we have what type of legal structure is applying for an EIN. Here we have before applying for an EIN, you should have already determined what type of legal structure, businesses or type of organization is being established. Choose type you are applying for. If you don't see your type, select a few additional types. You choose if it is sole proprietor. Then we have partnerships also. Includes partnerships and joint venture. Then we have corporations, includes S corporations, personal service corporations, real estate investment trusts, regulated investment conduits, and settlement funds. Then we have a limited liability company LLC. Then we have your estate trusts, and we have your additional types, including tax exempt and governmental organizations. Then you click over continue and you will find this page. This is the page of authenticate. So this is the step that you have to follow. Firstly, identify, authenticate, addresses, details, and EIN confirmation. Or just write your first name, middle name, last name. Then you choose the suffix. Alright, this is how it looks. Then you have to write your SSN and EIN here. Then you have to choose one of this. If you are a responsible and authorized partner or general partner of this partnership, or if you are a third party applying for an EIN on behalf of this partnership, you click over continue and you have to like your information of addresses, details, EIN confirmation. Then you get started and you get your EIN. So this is how you can get your EIN. So an employer identification number is essential for businesses operating in the United States, serving as a vital identifier for tax reporting and compliance. Obtaining an EIN is a key step for businesses owners, facilitating various financial and legal processes. So this is how you can get your employer identification number. It's very easy. You have just to follow the steps, which is this one: identify, authenticate, addresses, details, and EIN confirmation. Then you get started. And if you want, for example, a business or creating a corporation or have your own business. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Also here in IRS Gov, we find how can we help you. For example, you found statutes, make a payment, use our tax help tool, sign into your account, file your taxes for free, apply for an employer ID number as I did, get your tax record, find the forms and instructions, check your recommended return status. Also, if you want other things less, such as information, fill in for individuals popular, you have payment here. We found queries and deductions, forms and instructions. And this is it for this video. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. See you again in the next video.